Hi, and welcome to my portfolio for English 2210. My name is Caitlin Goodwin, and I have decided to build my portfolio using the Google Sites. It was really user-friendly, even though this is the first time I've created a web page. I did decide to use their templates, and I just kind of looked through the available templates and went with the one that was most appealing to me. I enjoyed the dark background of this one and the color band, and I liked the placement of the different pages, the tabs for the different pages. I've used some of my original images. I went with this scene of the dewy grass with the light orb. It felt representative of me, yet it was soothing and not distracting. And I was able to use a filter so that there was a cohesiveness between the coloring and the borders, and then with my image of myself. And so here we see I've included an introduction. I may add some future revisions to this introduction. I just used a bit of what we used in the week 1 discussion to get started. I also included my contact information. And I plan to include my reflective memo here after that's all done. And then back to the top we have the tabs for each project, and I plan to include the rough draft, the final revision, and then the reflection page for each project under the applicable tab. Yeah, thanks for checking it out, and let me know if you have any suggestions. Have a good one.